Alright guys, we're out here at the club. We're gonna do a little riding today. We got this buggy going, so we're gonna see if we can get her in the air today. Here she is. Here comes this crazy fucker right now. He goes that way every time, watch. Oh! And this is the problem we've been having. The gas likes to get clogged. Here.
I felt like that was the one.
Oh, that is.
And it wasn't.
There you go. You got to undo her. Let that little chunk come out. Look at that, we're flowing again. Gas is flowing.
Sorry.
Alright, Mad Max, here you go. Oh. Alright, he's gonna try again. Gas cut her out. It's kinda funny when he goes over this. That was badass! Alright, we're back. Big old tabletop, big old hill. He's gonna hopefully not kill himself on this hill, but we'll see it.
Nope, it didn't work. I killed it.
You cleared it, dog.
I did a 180.
That was cool. Yeah, but I flipped it.
Did I?
You didn't break nothing?
I don't think so. I just.
You might have bent the rim.
Huh?
Might have bent the rim.
Which one?
This one. Let's see.
The copper fell off of the battery box.
The what?
The copper fell off of the battery box.
Oh, shit.
Did we break it?
I would imagine that would break it. Oh, that might help.
What?
Carb fell off.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what happens when you decide to ramp it 20 feet in the air.
Was I really that high?
You were pretty high up there, dog. Like, pretty high up there. I mean, it was a good one. Hey, you want to hold this camera?
Yeah.
You want to record yourself saying how you felt?
I don't know, man. I was just up there. And then I ended up looking at the jump, not looking away from it. That was cool.
That one was sick.